Hi, in my last video, I said I was going to be taking you through what the Bumper X Meta integration means for your business. So by now, I believe that you have actually connected your Meta and you have your messages, your Instagram messages all loaded on your Bumper app. Yeah, so that's like the first thing that you would notice, like all your Instagram messages are actually going to be available to you on your Bumper app. And I'm just here chatting with Ayodele, and if you notice, we sent there's a team picture here that I sent to him. This is actually sent from my Bumper app, and we are chatting right now. Yes, but one thing that you notice is that you are able to do more than you can do on Instagram. So for instance, there are quick action buttons available to you below the screen here, and you can also see this top icon here, this customer information icon here, and when you click on that, it shows all the orders that customer chatting with you have actually made on your store. You can also click on the customer information and you can see that it shows the customer information, and this information are available to you while chatting with the customer. So imagine Ayodele is sending me a message saying he wants to purchase something. All I need to do is to click on send product, and immediately all my inventory becomes available to me on the spot. Let's say he says, he wants to buy a face mask. I just click on this and I send it to him. All he needs to do is to click on it, and it is going to show him the face mask on my website. Then he can just easily add that to cart and then proceed to checkout while he's still on Instagram. Oh yeah, he sent me a message. Super. And if he agrees to purchase this particular face mask, all I need to do is to click create order. I select my product. I'm just gonna search for it, face mask. Yes. I click done, and I can, let's even assume it's gonna be shipping to Lagos Island, and I can record that sale. And this, what it does is that it sends a personalized message saying, I've created an order for you, 500 with the shipping fee and details, total price. And all he has to do is to click the link and to view the order details. And if you notice, his information is already filled in for him even before he needs to do anything. But remember, this information is here because I already have Ayodele as a customer on my app. If he was not a customer, he would have to fill it for the first time, or I would help him as a merchant to fill it, and then anytime he comes to purchase from me, this information would already be there. He just needs to click make payment, and he's able to either pay online or pay via bank transfer. Lord. So I can also request payment. Since he has not paid me, I can click request payment. It shows me all the unpaid orders where I can just click this, and he's also able to click on the link, or I can actually share an invoice with him, of this particular order, and he can actually pay me. Remember, all these things is happening in the DM. So for Ayodele, he's on Instagram seeing this. Actually, let's go to Instagram, and we'll see what the experience is like on Instagram. So I'm going to go to my messages. If you notice, all my messages are just loading here. Yes, so you can see me and Ayodele. So you can see all the things that I've been doing, sending him the face masks, creating the order for him, responding to him, or even requesting payment and sending him invoice. All of these things are happening on Instagram. Yes, it feels like I am chatting with him on Instagram, but I'm actually not chatting with him on Instagram. If I was on Instagram, it will be difficult for me to even get this image, this invoice image, or create the invoice or record the sale. But now I'm doing everything right there on the chat. So I can also send him images like I did here, see all the records of my orders, my customer information. All of this information are available to me. And when I go back to my order list, you can see that order that I recorded is already here. The details of the orders captured. So yes, that is it. You're able to do all of these things while chatting with your customers, sending products, creating orders, requesting payment, sharing invoice, capturing their customer details. Even if when you disconnect Meta, you will still have all these details with you, no matter what. So yeah, I hope this helps you understand what this means for your business. You can close sales a lot faster. You can capture all your customers' details. You can respond to your customers a lot faster. So your customer experience is going to be a lot smoother. I hope this helps your business.